Hey, Plan Fam. Welcome to the Happiness Heals channel. My name is Tiffany. If you're new here, thanks for stopping by, and we hope you stick around. And if you're returning, welcome back, friends. Today, we are doing a plan with me in the 2023 Live Rich Planner. I decided to jump back into this planner and make it work for me going into the new planner season, July through December of this year and into the next year. And I am so happy that I made that decision because I have been really enjoying this experience. So today I am going to do a weekly spread showing you how I'm planning a busy week with my family. So let's get started. I'm going to start by putting the days of the week at the top and kind of planning out the structure of my days. I'm using these stickers from Erin Condren. They came in one of the seasonal surprise boxes, but the colors are really pretty and will complement the theme for today's spread. I'm also going to be using the Summer Vibes sticker book by the Happy Planner. I really love a lot of the pretty themes in this particular sticker book. I'm not sure exactly which ones I'm going to use yet, but this is the sticker book that I'm using, and then I'll use others from my planner collection to kind of fill in the gaps where I need additional stickers that might not be in the book. So that is the plan. Let's put it into action. And then I'm going to use these cute little date dots to complement the days of the week. Okay, now I have my meeting for the week in place as well as my personal appointment. I put in a few boxes and minimal decorations just to kind of give me an idea of where things are going to go and what I need to cover. And so now I can kind of fill in the dots. I'm still using my Summer Vibes sticker book. The other thing that I like to do is put in my social media task. I like to use these cute little icons from Planner Kate, one for YouTube and the other for Instagram. All right, we are finally done with planning for the upcoming week. I have a lot going on. I did enjoy being able to add in quite a few decor stickers just to get me through the days. I actually see here where I like to put one last little thing. I didn't have room for one, but I love these little golden pineapples. And I'm just thinking that would be cute there. Hope it's not too much, but I love all the stickers, so it's not too much for me, but it might be too much for you, and that's okay. This is my spread for the upcoming week in my Live Rich planner. As I mentioned, I am absolutely loving using this planner again. I'm not using the personal planner pages right now. I'm simply using the weekly spreads, but I absolutely adore it. I've used stickers on here from Mama Gloria, Erin Condren, the Happy Planner, Planner Kate, a little bit of everyone, and that's kind of my zhuzh when it comes to stickers and planning. I love to just mishmash what I have in my collection and try to come up with unique little themes. I really do like this particular spread just because it's bright and cheerful. It's a week before I go on vacation, so it's kind of gearing me up for that, and I just love the bright, vibrant colors. I use the Happy Planner Summer Vibe sticker books to anchor the theme for this week's planner spread. But like I said, I pulled from a little bit of everywhere to really pull it all together. I did a lot more boxes over here on my weekend because I will be planning for my vacation, and I just wanted places to brain dump things that need to be done before we leave. But other than that, I think I fit in all of my personal appointments, all of my work appointments, and all the major things that need to be done this week. So I hope you enjoyed this Plan With Me session. Let me know in the comments below if you have any suggestions or how you're enjoying your Live Rich planner. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. Also, make sure you hit the subscribe button as well as the notification bell so you'll be informed the very next time we have something to share on the Happiness Heals channel. Take care, friends.